It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, let's go, guys. So I only have one DIY for you tonight, and basically what I'm doing is taking 3 of those blocks that you can find at the Dollar Tree. These are the wooden blocks, and they are sold individually. And I am going to apply the burnt umber paint using a baby wipe to 2 of the 3 blocks. Now what I wanted to do was have one of the outer blocks to be darker than the other because I wanted to give this some contrasting colors. I didn't want it to all be the same color. And then I decided to paint the middle block using some of that Waverly brand chalk paint in the color plaster. So guys, I just want to know, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing very well, had a great day, and I hope you actually have a great week. Also, if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. And also, I want to welcome back all of my new and returning subscribers. I want to thank you all for your support of my channel. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be where I am today on my YouTube journey. So I appreciate you very, very much. So as you can see, I've already painted this piece using the the plaster paint. And now I am dry brushing over the 2 darker pieces, just using the excess paint that was in this brush of the plaster color. And then for the middle piece, because I will be using the lighter color or the one that was painted in the plaster color as the centerpiece. And I am going to dry brush over this piece using the burnt umber paint. And so guys, if I didn't tell you, we're going to make a wooden pumpkin out of these. And you guys, if you are a regular on my channel, then you know that Joy will oftentimes think of something, and then I'll think on it, and then I have to execute. So I always like to say it was in my head and I had to get it out. And what you see me using to put this piece together is some of that Tite Bond glue and hot glue. And now I am using this string or this jute twine that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, burning the frays off of it because I will be actually tying this around these blocks to create a bow. So as you can see, I am just gluing using just regular hot glue this to the back, or you can consider this the front because this will be a a 2-sided piece. And I am tying my bow, making sure that I glue the bow down so it won't be moving around. And then I am going to trim down some of the strings so that they are even. And then I'm using one of these like burlap roses or burlap petals and putting it on the back. And then I am going to take the button that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. These can be found usually in the front of the store near the registers, and I am gluing that down on top of the bow. And that way this gives this piece a 2-sided, make this a 2-sided decor piece is what I'm trying to say, y'all. So I am trying to do this voiceover while watching the breaking news of Sean P. Diddy Combs' arrest. So this should be interesting. And so now you see me taking this stick that my husband cut down, and so I'm using this as my peduncle or the stem of the pumpkin, adding glue around it, putting some of that moss that I purchased from Michael's around it, and that's going to be it for this project. I thought this was very simple yet rustic, my kind of style, and you guys got to let me know what you think. So here's the reveal of it, guys. Very simple. This is the one side of this piece, and then you'll see the second side or the opposite side, and I think this turned out really cute. I have it styled here with some of the other decor pieces that I created on the channel. I will leave the link to those DIYs in the description of this video. You guys, make sure that if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. Until the next DIY, make sure that you smile because it increases your face value. And if there's nothing else, be blessed. Bye, guys.